Hello, I just thought I'd share this with you guys. This was up in our loft. Hubby grabbed it down yesterday when he was up there. As you can see, it's a wasp's nest that's been used, but that's obviously not in use anymore. This is going to be given to Sidekick's school. It's paper thin, but they're doing about mini beasts at the moment, so we thought it'd be perfect to give to the school. But how mad is that? It's been up there for a good number of years, as you can tell. I mean, it's paper. But yeah, I just thought I'd share it with you guys. How mad is that?